Hey friend, today we learn about the connection. I have two options to do this with the concate function or the and. So let's start. Here I have the last name and I have the first name. Here I have Becker, Alice. So I do equal Becker and Alice, and then I press on OK. But I want to organize this, so I do apostrophes and between. Now Becker Alice organize for me. If you see in my toolbar the formula. Next, concate. I do equal concate and then open me a list. Text 1 I take Becker, text 2 I take Alice, and then I press on OK button. But I want also organize this, so I do comma and then and then I do apostrophes and between again, and it's organized for me. And here I have the number 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3. So I do 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, and then I press on enter. Next, with the concate, equal concate, and then open me list. Text 1 4, 5, 6 and text 2 1, 2, 3. I press on OK button. Okay friend, so please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.